Introducing the BOSCH GAM 270 MFL Digital Angle Finder and Inclinometer. It's one of the most versatile tools a carpenter, installer, general contractor, or roofer can have. It's really 5 tools in one: an angle finder, inclinometer, compound cut calculator, miter cut calculator, and level. Dual illuminated displays feature separate readouts for the inclinometer and miter functions, and it automatically rotates for better readability. Use it with a miter saw to measure angles for roof joints and stairways, crown molding, and trim work. Digital accuracy means you'll get measurements within 0.1 degrees for an extensive range of angles from 0 to 270 degrees. The digital inclinometer allows you to level and plumb installations or measure ADA ramps. And the integrated laser allows you to transfer inclinations up to 100 feet. You'll make fast saw angle adjustments and repeated measurements. The hold function saves increments, and the mechanical lock lets you transfer angles simply. This tool's robust housing meets IP54 protection. Add in a protective carrying case and a leg extension, and you're ready to go. Learn more about this BOSCH GAM 270 MFL Digital Angle Finder and Inclinometer by viewing this page. And be sure to check out the full line of BOSCH measuring tools.
The Fowler Vernier Bevel Protractor, part number 52-440-612-0, supplied in a fitted case with instruction manual, 6 and 12-inch blades, each with 45-degree angle on one end, 60-degree angle on the other, and an adjacent angle attachment. Scale is graduated 0 to 90 in 4 quadrants, and is capable of being rotated 360 degrees. Has a blade lock for easy positioning of the blade, carriage lock to lock the protractor in place, and a fine adjust for making finer measurements. Also features a magnifier to read the 5-minute vernier scale. Comes with a full 1-year warranty. The Fowler Vernier Bevel Protractor.
This is the BOSCH GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder. It locks onto fast, precise measurements and is ideal for use with a miter saw. Measure angles for roof joints, stairways, and sloped windows, or create perfect trim work and crown molding. The features let you focus on the job. The user interface is intuitive, and the illuminated flip display is easy to read. The simple and compound miter function is great for making fast saw angle adjustments. The hold function lets you easily reuse and transfer saved measurements. And the mechanical lock makes transferring angles simple and quick. There's a generous measuring range of 0 to 220 degrees with measuring accuracy of 0.01 degrees. And to top it off, this BOSCH angle finder is tough. Its housing meets IP54 protection standards. It comes with a carrying case and a leg extension for measuring hard-to-reach angles. Accurate angles are a thing of beauty. Get them with the BOSCH GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder by checking out this page, and be sure to check out the full line of BOSCH measuring tools.
The Fowler Digi-Pro Electronic Protractor features a fitted case and 2 spare batteries. On-off function hold function, and floating zero function. With two 12-inch blades with a full 360-degree range, also with embedded magnets in the blades. Also features a blade lock for holding them in position. Has an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees, repeatability of plus or minus 0.05 degrees, and a resolution of 0.1 degrees, backed with a full 1-year warranty. The Fowler Digi-Pro electronic protractor.
Doing finish work? Then the AccuMASTER Digital 7-inch Angle Finder Ruler is a must-have tool you need to carry with you at all times. Save time, save money, eliminate frustration and waste, make the right cuts the first time. With the included belt pouch, the Digital Angle Finder Ruler is always at your fingertips. Measure inside and outside angles with ease, displayed by tenths for angles up to 360 degrees. The Precision 7-inch rulers provide plenty of surface to ensure an accurate measurement. And when you need it, the Precision Ruler is always at your fingertips. The stiff action will retain the measured angle so you can move it and get a closer look. Or press the Hold button to freeze the measurement on screen. Another press will clear the display for the next reading. To take an absolute measurement, line up the rulers and zero out the device. Then spread the rulers to match the shape of the angle. For a relative measurement, measure the reference angle, zero the unit, then measure the target angle. The difference is calculated for you. Before you cut, use the Digital Angle Finder Ruler to calibrate the angle settings on your tools. This is the perfect tool for woodworking, crown molding, trim work, and so much more. It's a sturdy, durable, professional-grade tool designed to withstand years of use. The AccuMASTER Digital 7-inch Angle Finder Ruler comes to you from Calculated Industries and is backed by our 2-year warranty.